Okay, hi guys. Today we're going to be distilling some concentrated nitric acid. Just a disclaimer before anybody wants to try this. Only do this outside or in a fume hood, and make sure of all proper safety call is followed. So what you're going to need is some potassium or ammonium nitrate, which we got right here, and some sulfuric acid. There's approximately 280 grams of sulfuric acid in here, and a little over 200 grams of potassium nitrate here. Now, before you add potassium nitrate, it's not completely necessary, but I chill down the sulfuric acid so there's not as much fuming, because adding the potassium nitrate to the sulfuric acid is a fairly exothermic reaction. So I'm just going to add that in little portions and mix as we add it. Now I let this cool in the freezer, the sulfuric acid, for about an hour. You probably should let it stay in there a little bit longer till the glass is nice and frosted over, but it's not completely necessary. This helps reduce fuming. I can feel it's warming up a little bit, so yeah. Just pour the rest of this in. And I can smell some nitrogen oxides forming. There's a little chunk stuck in there. Just pour the rest of this in. And now, since this is heating up considerably, we're going to just want to bring this over to the fume hood and set up our distillation apparatus. Okay guys, so I got all this set up. So you can see my heating mantle's on. Here's the mix. You can see it started producing some gas. So it's going to go up through there, through my condenser. The longer the condenser, the better. And it's just going to go down there into my receiving flask. So that's all that's going to do. I just have a trap at the end that's going to prevent any gases from leaving it as little as possible. Even though I'm working in a fume hood, it doesn't matter as much. But yeah, I'll show you guys a close-up on the system I have to stop the gas. Okay guys, so here's the contraption that stops. It's a flow back, and it prevents gases from coming into my lab even though I'm working in a fume hood. So here's the flask that's going to hold nitric acid when it comes over. And then back here, that is just a suck back trap. It has a stem going down and then an airflow out valve. Well, it's going down, and then the extra gas is coming up into this tube down here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's already bubbling a little bit there. So my mix is heating up. I'll show you guys when the nitric acid starts to come over. Okay guys, some stuff's starting to distill over. I've run it every time I do this. I run to a snag. So if anybody can answer me or figure this out, I don't know if I'm doing that too. Distilling this at too high of a temperature, but it always creates a lot of foam, and sometimes it just overflows with foam. So, but here's condensing. You can see I already got some in there. But the foam, it just keeps rising. So if anybody has an answer to this, please leave a comment. Thanks. Okay guys, the distillation has been complete. Now you can see what I've collected right here. Just take this off. See right here, a decent quantity, maybe 100, maybe 150 milliliters. Wasn't too bad. Now you just want to store this in a proper bottle with the proper information on it, which I got right here. As you can see, there's a lot of gases. There we go, that's a little better. There's a lot of gases. Now I test this to make sure that this is nitric acid. I'm just gonna do a little demonstration. There's a beaker right there. I'm gonna put just a little piece of copper in it. Check out right here. Just a little piece of copper. And I'm going to it's not much left in it. Try to take some out of here. You can see there. You can see it's sort of changing colors, turning green around it a little bit. But to make this really react, that it's so concentrated, that's forming a protective layer. But let me add some water. You can see it's eating away at the copper. It's making quite a bit of gassing. See that there? Just bubbling away at that. It's not showing up too well on camera, but it is bubbling and fizzing, and it was cleaned off much better. Let me see if I can add a little bit more for a little bit better reaction. There we go. That's what you guys were looking for. You can see the thick gas that's formed. The copper nitrate solution. Let me just bring down my fume hood. Close up right there. You can see there's the piece of copper right there. It's making a nice solution. Almost all gone already. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but if you look through here, there's pretty much filled with gases. So there you go. That's it. Almost gone. Oh, there it is. See it down there? Really going at it. But so that's how you make concentrated nitric acid. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks.